Happy holidays. By the making of this video, it's 4 days before Christmas, I think. So, yeah, happy holidays. This is going to be an intro of the stuff I'll make here, which is probably going to be shitpost or like Zenless stuff. Uh, that's it. Bye. Okay, so by the thumbnail or title of this, it's pretty obvious, and it's totally 100% true and not a lie. ZZZ Zone Zero made me build a new PC for the for like everything. For the context, this is my previous one or like my old one, and this is my new one, which is I think it's pretty mid, but hey, it's mine. Uh, I promise it performs way better. So let's go back to July or mid-August 2023. By this time, you should already know or like watch that one TikTok of Ellen like dancing in that funk. It's, to be fair, it's pretty peak. It's pretty tough. Unfortunately, yeah, I think it was tough. Putting that aside, I went and searched up the game, and it's easy, and I eventually downloaded it. I'm not joking how excited I am when it launched on my PC, bro. Like, my old PC was like super trash, so bad, bro. And seeing the game run was something special to me. So with its story, it got me hooked so bad, bro. I really fell in love with that one rat tyrant. I'm not gonna name her. Suddenly, before the release of Miyabi or patch 1.5, I realized, hey, my PC is fucking full. I can't update it, and I refuse to think of the thought of just quitting the game. Like, I'm Team Gray's a quitter, bro. So I locked in and decided, fuck it, I'm gonna open marketplace. At this time, I was unemployed, a student, lazy bum, every insult you can think of, and I would just scroll to marketplace and just praying for finding some deals, bro, like for building a PC. I eventually got one for 800 pesos or 13 bucks, which is great. Now I just needed a GPU and another RAM, since it came with just one. And yeah, I don't think the game's gonna want to play with integrated graphics. So yeah, one issue is when finding that GPU, it's either gonna be really trash or really sketchy. And yeah, that was the second one I chose. And I did find one, which is a GTX 560 for another 800 pesos. Great, hell yeah. A problem is it's midnight, and he lives 20 kilometers away from my house. So the logical option here would be just to slide, pick another one. No, I am a stingy motherfucker, and I do not want to quit. So any logical person would do: pay him online and let him deliver it. Yes, I'm praying I do not get scammed. Uh, so I agreed to ship it via Lala Move, and yeah, probably a scam. Or maybe the account's sketchy as hell. When it arrived, hey, it's not a scam. I did get it, but the problem is now my power supply is missing a PCIe power pin. So fuck. So I decided to buy another power supply, which is 15 kilometers away. It's not bad, and this time it's not big. So I decided to pick it up from a shop, legitimate shop. So once everything was here, got my extra RAM, bought a hard drive, got the power supply in, got the GPU in, everything was working. I was like a kid on Christmas. I was like, it was like giving lollipop to Candyman. Yeah, that's how my that is how I got ZZZ. Kinda love the game, but yeah, it's a Gunner game. And it's my Gunner game though. Anyways, we made it here. I hopefully think this was somewhat entertaining. Thank you so much if you're watching this. I had to dig up some photos and rethink this video before. Anyway, that's it. I guess happy holidays. Stay zenless, man. Stay zenless.